All right, how about number two? Number two says, can you find the exact value of this huge mess? And again, with sines and coses, we think, all right, two angles I can add and give you oh, I know 30, but that's a mess. Like before, can you see that this is actually one of our formulas, and this is the right-hand side? Can you look above? Which formula has tan of A plus tan of B over 1 minus tan of A times tan of B? And if you look upstairs up here, the one that matches is going to be this one. So I'm giving you the right-hand side. You go back and give me the left-hand side. So on number two, this is actually the same thing as the tan of A plus B. I'm giving you the left because this was originally the right-hand side. Well, A is the 15, and 30 is the B, so let's plug that right in. This becomes the tan of 15 degrees plus 30 degrees. That's a tan of 45, and that is a nice angle. Remember your unit circle at 45 degrees, either sine over cosine, or the hand rule, or whatever magic you use. The tan of 45 is just 1. That's actually kind of pretty, that this huge, complicated mess just boils down to just number 1. All right, let's try number 3 together right now. Number 3 says, can you evaluate 75 degrees tan of 75 without a calculator? This was just like sine and cos, where you have to think about two nice angles that add or subtract and give you 75. Let's see, 75. I could maybe use 45 plus 30. I don't know many other nice angles. I can't do 60 and 15 because 15 is not a nice angle. So I'll do 45 and 30. All right, let's use our tan formula up here. This is tan of A plus B. So I'll plug it in here with 45s and 30s. Here we go, folks. Using our new formula, this is the tan of A plus tan of B over, switch the sign, 1 minus tan of A times tan of B. All right, tan of 45, we just found in the previous problem, that was equal to 1, right? Tan of 30. All right, tan of 30 degrees, I think is 1 over root 3, or root 3 over 3. And the good thing is, whatever you find over here, you're just going to plug it on top as well. So here we go. This whole thing turns into tan of 45 is 1 plus tan of 30 is root 3 over 3. On the bottom is 1 minus tan of 45, tan of 30, and that turns into here. Ooh, kind of a mess, but if we can do common denoms, we can do it, fight through it. Let's change this to 3 over 3. So the top is really 3 plus root 3 over 3. On the bottom, this is just 1 times that. That's just root 3 over 3. So common denom, and I bring it together, I should get 3 minus root 3 over 3. All right, now we can eventually multiply by the reciprocal of the bottom, and I get 3 plus root 3 over 3 times, let's flip this guy, 3 over 3 minus root 3. Gosh, there's a lot of 3's, and I wish I could cancel all of them, and I can't. The only ones I can really cancel are the ones that are being multiplied and divided. These are all being added and subtracted. Some of them are inside a radical, some are not. So the only ones I can generally cancel would be these 3. So I'd be left with 3 plus root 3 on top, 3 minus root 3 on the bottom. Mathematically, we're actually not done. If you remember from Algebra 2 last year, we'd have to multiply by what was called the conjugate. That's the 3 plus root 3 on top and bottom, so things cancel. And you'll see the back of the book do that, but we're not going to go that far. It's okay. That's a lot of work, and I am just so proud that you get that far. So you can stop right here and be done. That's the tan of 75 degrees without even using a calculator. Good job. So we broke it apart using 2 angles that we knew, jumped into the formula, unit circle, and algebra.